won't slow down, building my empire in this buzzing town, casting my vision on the silver screen, my funded life a vivid sheen, my funded futures light the way.
Hey, good evening, everybody. I'm Stephen Kalayjian, and yes, this is the best 2 hours of the night. It is the My Fun the Future Asia session. How are you, everybody? God bless you. Hope everybody had a great day here. All right, I'm really happy to be here. It's Thursday. Man, I was exhausted tonight. Let me tell you, I was shot. Shot, S-H-O-T, shot. Let me tell you. All right. Hope everybody had a great day here. All right. Unbelievable. One thing you got to remember in slow markets like in August, you got to be, you're probably, everybody here, there's a new one. Titanium Ruse. I can't see. JL Trading, what's going on? Monkey Secret, Eddie, what's going on? Going short. I love it. What's up, everybody? How are you? David XCM Kabooshed. Ramis Rojas, Brave Day, Apple, Bible with Bell, Chicken Trader, Pino, Brave Day, Vanessa B, Linda NQ, get in there. Miss K is in the house. That's right, Miss K rocks. ELSQ, Panos, Sci Trades, Mallory Thompson. I like that name. Sharo, Izzy Lizzie, Josh, Baby Go, David T, Mikey Jacques, Raveling, Diego, get in there. All right. Deuce Leveraged. Eli is in the house. Any way to get our hands on that intro song? I want to burn it into a CD. I don't know. Talk to Aaron. Ask Aaron. What's going on, Primo? Hey, what's going on? 7 rank. So we named Aaron officially the General. That's it. Aaron's name is the General. We're not going to call him by Aaron anymore. We're just going to call him the General. Okay? No, he's not a private. No. How's it going there, NQ Contract Killer? Love that name. Stock Girl 2. Hey, Stock Girl 2. Get in there. Bottomless Trades. Matt. MAT. Frank Mangione. There you go. Get in there. And they're off at Belmont. All right. Okay. Wysec. What's going on? Catalysm. Brave Day. J-Dubs. Get in there. Pritmar. All right. Unbelievable. Up 93. Why are they up? I have no idea. Here, let's see it. All right. This gold, I short some gold here. 10.5 up to the 17.5 range. Very quiet. It was very quiet. Gold was really good, active last night. You know that, right? Ding, ding, ding. There you go. Get in there. XD, what's going on? Ionella. G Peralta. Oh my God, look at the gold drop. Okay. All right. Wow, gold just got kabooshed. All right. Yep. Up 7 here on the gold. Wow. Vanessa, ES Futures. Sebastian, get in there. Barbie, CR, good evening. Fade from Gary, what's up? All right. Wallace, Paul Wallace lives in the great state of Florida, right? Paul, you got to come visit me. Anybody here from the great state of Florida? I'm so tired. Anybody? Ramis, Rojas, Bear Trader, get in there. No, nobody here from the great state. I'm looking at December, please, sir. December, the time of your life. Do 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 do. Please don't start. It's too early about the giveaways. You live from Orlando, Robin. Hey, Robin. I'm in. Who's in Hollywood? I'm in Jupiter. So guys, come and visit me. 914-500-7484. Daily course. Come in. Oh, let me get the door. I get the guys are here. Okay. Whew. All right. Let's see what's going to happen. Gold, S&Ps and Nasdaq pushing up to new highs here. All right. If you want to take a scalp short here on the Nasdaq, 615 up to 45. The 15s are about to reverse here, so we got to watch it. Corp trades, yeah, non-farm payroll tomorrow. Hey, Khalib, how are you? Boom! What did they just get up to? All right. Baby goat. Baby goat is the ultimate bull. Unbelievable. Baby goat. Yo, Jeff. Baby goat is the ultimate bull. Absolutely. Baby goat. The ultimate bull. You wake up. Yesteryears. Good times and the bad we've left behind. For the times of your life. Yesterday. Oh, it's going to be so slow here. You have no idea. So slow here. Unbelievable. So slow. All right, here we are. Let's see if we can just scalp this short here a little bit. All right. This gold's going to go right back up. Corp trades, what's going on? Spyro, Azov. Hey, Azov, where have you been, brother? All right. Just scalp it here. If you short the Nasdaq, just trail it down, I guess. Just try to scalp it here. You sold any. The general's in the house. That's right. Gameplay, what's going on? Rod trades, OM, what's going on? 7 rank. Oh, yeah, baby. 7,615. There you go. There's 25 on the NASDAQ. See why I have to trade the NASDAQ versus the S&Ps? NASDAQ just drops 25, okay? And the freaking S&Ps only dropped 2. Beachcomb, Lisa, Beachcomber Lisa, I hope you got that short. Scared me. The hell? I'm in Florida. I'm in Jupiter, Florida. Anybody here from the great state of Florida? Yeah, it was a scalp short, Scalp King. Should at least sold one lot here at 15. For Christ, that's beautiful. Big W if anybody got that short there. Rocks from Florida. Anybody from Florida? Miami, Dade, Marzina. You guys got it. I'm right here in Jupiter. Let's go. Big W. Nice little scalp there. Again, you're pushing up to new highs here. I'm not seeing any. Now, the ADXs are rising on the 15s here, but you're overbought on the 30s, and you're getting overbought near the 50s, on the 60s. So, yeah, just a little scalp one right there. Oh, God. Well, I'm exhausted. I'm telling you. Look to short 15 and a half. There you go. 200, right? Jupiter. You're from Belgium, Azov? There you go. Get in here. Nice to meet everybody. Welcome, Azov. Well, the thing that this is a big. You got the S&Ps that made a new high, and the Nasdaq couldn't make a new high. Something's not clicking, and I got to tell you, between you and I'm always pumped day trade. You're from Boca, EU. I'm in Jupiter. Let's go. You're 40 minutes away from me. Beachcomber Lisa, are you from Florida? Where are you from? Because I see Beachcomber, so. Oh, Beachcomber Lisa. All right. All right. NPR. Or is that RR? I think it's NRR. Left side, what's going on? Yes, I trade the big ones. California. Chanel Island. I never heard of it. Sounds beautiful. Wow, Chanel Islands? All my daughter wants is Chanel. Iceman in the house. Here we go. Iceman will be here in Juno Beach sometime November. I got to look this up now. Is that San Diego? Chanel Islands, California? I got to call a bunch of people tonight from California. I'm going to ask. Hey, there you go. Diego, São Paulo, Brazil. Here you go. Get in there. Get in there. Yes, Ventura County, Susper. That's right, Orange Cali. Okay, got it. Wow, look at this drop on the NASDAQ. Oof, oof, oof. 35. So 5 minute goes to 3 minute. What? Yep. Oh. Faded. I'm starting to think outside the U.S. Hey, SK, how are you? El Barbaretto, how are you? Susper. I'm from Coachella Valley, Ventura County. Oh, God. That sounds beautiful. My God. I love California, but don't get me started. Okay? Don't get me started. Bear Trader, get in there, Bear Trader. Bear Trader. Oh my God, I love Newport Beach, man. I mean, I never thought I was ever going to leave California. Huntington Beach, California, Newport Beach, Santa Monica, and then San Diego, Ventura Highway. Oh yeah, my daughter played so many soccer games. I had the tournaments in California. I said, I love it here. And the thing about me is being Armenian and Italian, right? Like in Florida, I'll get black, like my shirt if I lay out in the sun, right? If I go to Florida, like my daughter got recruited by UCLA, yeah, I just came back from Vegas, so now I have like a golden tan right here. So I have a golden tan versus a black tan. Like I'm literally get black from the state of Florida here. So if you want to take a scalp long here on the Nasdaq, anywhere between the 40 and 70 range here, or 40, 40 and 70, or maybe 35 to 75 range. You got the ADXs rising on the 15 and the 5, so we'll see. Florida's so freaking beautiful, man. I'm telling you, I felt alive there. I love it. And, but now it's gone to poo-poo, I guess. So, certain parts, that is. 80-40 rotation, what you think to get back in? 80-40? No, I'm thinking 35. Here we go, 35 to 75, I thought. 40 points on the Nasdaq's really nothing, to be honest with you. Like, it just pushed down here to 63. You can scale out 75, 80, 85, just trade it, right? You're going to the Keys in Florida. That's about 4 hours for me. I'd be very mad at you if you don't stop by and see SK here. Is he? Miss K, get in there. Frank's Coleone, how are you? All right, let's play a game here. There's the Nasdaq. Nasdaq just ran 20 here. Let's play a game here, okay? What do you think the top? Let's play a game here because we did this during the day today, and I don't know. It's kind of quiet, so why the hell not? Okay, gold just dropped 8. Anybody know? Let's pick. What do you think the top 3 best lines in any motion picture are? Okay, anybody know? Gold long? Probably not yet. Probably not yet. Anybody know the best 3 lines ever said in the movie? Come to San Diego, I'll take you to Mexico. Okay, it doesn't matter. No.
It doesn't matter.
Oh my God, that California beautiful. All right, Nasdaq gets down to the 25 to 65. I would take another scalp long here because you're in a sell disconnect here. So there you go. Number 1 all time. Leave the gun. Grab the cannoli. Say hello to my little friend. Okay, that's a good one. I don't know if it was top 3. My name is Jeff. Is all right. I'm gonna make him an offer I can't refuse. That's got to be in the top, definitely top 5. Okay. Frankly, I don't give a damn. Oh, that's another good one. Oh yeah. Colonel Jessup, did you order the code red? There you go. A man who doesn't spend time with his family can never be a real man. Don Vito Corleone. Oh, yeah. I think there's probably so many great lines from that movie. It's just hard to show me the money. I love that one, right? Jerry Maguire. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Get busy living or get busy dying. That's another good one. Shawshank Redemption. I'm all out of bubblegum. I don't know what that's from. Here's Johnny. That's another one. That's it. Was that The Shining? That's The Shining, I think. Oh, oh yeah. I ate his liver with some fava beans and rice and a nice Chianti. Yep. Oh boy. Where's the bear? That's why you have to take a seat. You're in the 15s. I mean, what a short at 6:15. They're almost down at 70 here. Kaboosh. Yes, sir. That's why I said kick them out when they pushed up there. I'm very bearish here. Very, very bearish here. I just don't think the market has it in it. I think the non-farm payroll is going to really caboose him tomorrow. Put him in the bathroom. How could you forget that one? What a short. Bobby, Jojo, you're breathing all over me. Bobby, put him in the bathroom. That's a caboose in here. Yes, sir. Yep. What a great short on the on the S&Ps of 42. The negative MACDs here. Got down to 25 here. I still think they're going to go lower, but I think rallies need to be sold here. You could look to probably take a long on the gold between the you could scalp it. I'm what a bear flag on the 30. Oh, forget it. I think rallies need to be shorted on gold here. Yep. Oh, you're right. I think tomorrow, how could you miss that short, Wesley? Come on. How about this one? Welcome to the party, pal. Anybody remember that one? Anybody know what movie that's from? Frankly, my dear, I don't give a damn. I don't think he says dear. I think he says, frankly, I don't give a damn. I don't think he says dear. Oh, did he? To Demi Ross? I don't know. Demi Moore, I mean. Die Hard, of course. Gone with the Wind. What? No. Yeah, no. You're not from Kansas anymore. Oh, yeah, I think gold's a short. Yep. God, Nasdaq's down 100 off the highs. That's why I said that scalp long there. Just kick him out up there. You weak. What happened to your? What happened?
Keep sliding.
Really? Oh my God! I have the triple Lindy. He's the best. Rodney, are you kidding me? Rodney, you could take a scalp long here on the. You could take a scalp. Oh, the neck. Oh boy. You could take a scalp long here. If you. Oh, sorry. 485 to 515. You could take a scalp long here if you want. Okay. Again, the fives just reversed to sell. You really want to short the next bounce on the double red here. You really want to short them here if you get a bounce. You really want to short them. See the 5 reversing to sell here. You're in a sell disconnect. So the 5 reversing to sell. If you in the negative MACD, you got to be really careful. You're taking long. I'm more preferring to short this here. What happened, Johnny? Let's see if you get a push up here. That's why I said when it pushed up right here to 60, 65, 75, 85, I kick it out. Right here, you see that? When I called it 25, 65, and I got down to right here, I said just look to kick him out here. All right, I've been kicking out longs here. All right, now you got to look to short the bounce. Okay. Got to look to kick out the longs here. You should get another short here on the 15. That's why I said scalp long, people, right? I said scalp long. I said if you get long 25 to 65, they push down here I said, just kick these out here, 75, 80. Just, I didn't like it. Okay, here now you're just looking for a bounce to get short on the 5 minute. I'm so bearish I can taste it. Really. All right. That's why I said scalp long, Johnny. I said you're getting a negative trend here. And then when it pushed up, I said 75, 85, I'd be out. I didn't like it. Okay, come on. You're in a negative trend. Could have been good on that short though. Now we want to do is short the bounce on the 5. And if you caught that long here a little bit, 99 up to 25. If I say kick out longs, that means close them. Yes. I mean, I don't know what else to say. You know, kick out longs, be flat. Okay. Looking for shorts here. Jesus, the Nasdaq dropped over. The S&P's just dropped 12 here. But I said, okay, so catnip, I called a great short, right? Because I wasn't sure if the 15s were going to reverse the buy. And then I said, if you're taking a long, go take a scalp long. And if you don't want to take a scalp, and as just trading, you just got to just, you know, if you're buying 65s to trade 75, 80, you just put your stop back at 65. That's it, right? You can't handle the truth. That's another good one. This gold's going right back down. I'm telling you, this gold's going to get killed. I think this gold's going to get killed here. I mean, anybody see that pattern that I'm showing everybody here? I mean, I called one of the biggest hedge funds, and I told them yesterday right here. They said, "What's your target, Steve?" I said 776 to 77.5 on the spiders. They got short, I think, right around here. So 76.5, I think. They were going to add more if it got above 77. I told them we had 1 gap, 2 gap, 3 gap, 4 gaps. And I think this gap's going to get filled. I think this gap's going to get filled. I think this gap's going to get filled between now and October. I wouldn't be surprised we push down to close to 7,000. And I think that would be a great play, maybe even below it. But then I think you there you go. Then I think what you do is you look to short, then you look to take the long into the fourth quarter, into the January. And ultimately, if you have your high of 7,800 and change, let's say they drop to 7,100, that's 700 points. You flip it, and your target for 2027 would be 8,500. That's how I look at it. Right? That's how you look at it. All right. And if you wanted to scalp the long on the gold here, like 90.5 to 98.5 range. Now Iron Man. PVN, what's going on? You may take our lives, but they'll never take our freedom. Who's that from? Oh, Braveheart? Who's that from? So we going back to FOMC? I think lower than that. I think lower. We're going to March lows by October? No. No, I didn't say that. March lows? No. I don't think, no, I don't think we're going to March lows of 23,000. No, I don't think that. That's not what I think. Boy, it's really dead. Ah, there goes the gold popping a little bit here. Who likes Sanders today? I thought Sanders was a pretty easy trading day in Sandisk here. Yeah, I thought that Sanders was negative on the 30 and 60s today. So if you look at the 60-minute time frame here, and when you get this push up like this into this negative MACD 1324, look at this drop. Almost $60 here. The 60s reversing to sell with the 30-minute. Look at this right here. I mean, where are they going here? Look at this. This is an absolute Picasso. When you see negative MACDs like this here and negative MACDs like this here, and then you get this push up here, then another push up here, where are they going? Especially in a negative sell disconnect here? Not me. Not me, right? Not me. I got bit by a dog, but so if you look here on SanDisk, this was a really great short here. I mean, it rallied sharply, right? It got down to the 1163. It pushed up to 1277. And it drops down to 58, 1277, 95. I mean, then look at this thing. Okay. I'm so bearish I can taste it. That's all I know. In all honesty. What's that? Oh, there's the link for the giveaway. Okay. What time does New York open? 9:30. First pullback to go long on what? How do you trade that? I was scalping shorts looking for pullbacks. When the ADXs are rising like that on the 5 and 15, 30, and 60, you have to look for the 3-minute pullbacks. You have to wait for the 3-minute. Again, like I said, you should get one more push up here. Okay. If you get up to the 45.50 into the negative MACDs. Here we go. I looked just 45 to 85. I should start shorting the NASDAQ, or 50 to 90 range here. See, fives can get a little bit more of a bought up here. And if you were long, I hope you kicked them out a little lower though. But 344, 5. We won the war. Okay, beautiful. Negative MACDs here. You really wait for the fives to get a little bit more overbought, but ran off the lows here. 5-minute here. They got down here again, down to the even handle. Just ran about 40. If you look at the 1-minute, all right, get a little bit of a pullback. Man, is it slow? My God, S&Ps just ran 6. Little buy divergence there off the low on the 15s and 30s. Kaboom! S&P's pushed up a lot. Yeah, I see it. So if you look here, you can see the 60s, they made a new low here. The 60s non-confirmation, the 30s right here, non-confirmation. Then you got the 15s non-confirmation here. So we won the war. Unbelievable. Still think they're going to drop here. Should have waited for the fives to get a little bit more overbought. Look to cover this here between the 45 and 55 range. Let's see if we get a drop. Yeah, I know that they like Tuesday. There were some pullbacks on the 5, but mostly the pullbacks were on the 15 here. Boom, here we go. Just look to cover 45 to 60 range. Here we go. 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 Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Yes, baby. Yes. Come on, let's do it. Let's go. That's good. There you go. Beautiful. Scaling in, you should be flat. Okay. Beautiful. 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 We won the war. Beautiful. Kabooshed. Why'd I do this? Who cares? I'd be flat. This is beautiful. I'd be flat. Are you crazy?
Are you crazy? Or just plain stupid?
I hope you guys covered your I hope you covered. Jeff, talk to me.
I didn't. I wasn't.
Oh, okay. Okay. So again, when you made the new lows here, right below 500. You can see how the MACDs didn't confirm the lows. Even in the 15s, the 30s, you see the new lows here. What is this here? Oh, Jesus, that was the earlier. There you go, Andrew. 2,000 like nothing. Good job. Again, on the gold, if you're long on the gold between the 92, scale out above 300. Okay, are you set up to trade or you're not trading?
I missed that one.
Long or that was a short I just called. Hello? Got you can't come into a game. You have to be ready, right? If you get in that cockpit, you can't tell the ground crew, "Oh, let me just look at all the control panels first." You have to know exactly what to do, right? So what I'm saying is, when you're here, when you're home, you gotta be ready to engage. Start playing around with the platform, or start doing this, or start doing that. You get the short?
Mhm.
How much? Right? 60 here, 60 there, 60 here. It's 180, 200, 245, 300. It's not bad. Okay. So you did. So how'd you scale it on that?
One.
So you went every 20 points, every 15?
15.
So you started where? 45, then 15? 15 up?
Yeah.
So when it went to 75, broke it, right? So when 45, what?
I'd have to look to see where exactly.
The range was 45 to 75, right? 45 to 85. If you're doing every 15, it should have been 15, 60, and then 75, and you would have sold the third lot at 75.
It got up to.
I thought I saw 75. 75 exactly. It can't be. It can't be.
It's like.
It hit 74 on one bar and 70. I'm looking at a 1 minute bar. Right.
At 5, I couldn't.
Go to 1 minute. Okay. 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 Yeah, it's still dropping. Should have been. I'm sorry.
I haven't even up here.
Hey, I'm just telling you what mine says 75.
Yeah.
So even then, where was your third offer? This gold's finished. I used a 1 minute at night, not during the New York session. Okay. Can't be. Anybody sell 75s? A little late today, Stephen. So glad that we're golden Austria. Gold short cover, my beautiful. There you go. Johnny Richardson. How are you, my brother? Okay, he sold 75s. So
You can look at it.
I'm just telling you, I don't know anything other than lovely bar coding for the last 8 hours. Okay, so people are saying 75 was the print high. Let's just say, where was your offer at? Anybody can explain this to me before I blow my brains out? I don't understand how my data says 75 and his high is 74, 75. Can somebody explain this to me? I've been doing this for 45 years. Okay? I don't know. I don't get it.
I don't either.
I'm not mad at you. I'm just trying to understand it.
Yeah, I don't know. It's because he's.
Doesn't make a difference.
Yeah.
Doesn't make a difference. Oh my God, what a short. And then, oh my God. He's looking at, you're looking at MNQ, right?
Yeah.
MNQ. Is that why? He's looking at MNQ. Wow. This guy who bought 75s, he jumped. And then when the 5 went negative, you short the next bounce here. Wow. NASDAQ high was 575. If they break 501, look out below. I agree. Okay. MAQ high is 74, 75. So I guess the data for the micros is different than the big ones. I don't know. I mean, I just don't know. I mean, I give up.
I mean, if it hit 75, I would have gotten it.
That's not the right thing to do then. Again, that's wrong.
I only wanted to trade 5 times.
Okay. Okay. Just saying it can happen time to time. Okay, he's right, James. So that's not scaling in then. 1, 2, and 2? No, because your average price will never get adjusted. You should go 1, 2, 4. What's the difference between 5 and 7 micros at that point, really? Right? So I'm just teaching you. Had you sold 70, let's say you sold 75s. Your average price would have been a lot higher. Probably been like 67, 66.
Yeah.
Right?
I was doing scaling like that earlier.
No, you did the scaling right. I just think, for me, I'm not, again, if you're going to do 3 entries, it should always double up.
Okay.
1, 2, 4. Okay, 2, 4, 8.
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, or 4, 8, 16. That's just how I've traded.
Yeah, that's how
And I'm just teaching you. See, when I'm trading AMD, I'm selling boom here, double bubble boom here, boom 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 here, and even boom 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 here, right? Okay, and I'm bringing my average up, and you'll see cover half here, close it, boom.
Yeah.
Like yesterday, I made 12 points in AMD like that, right?
Yeah.
On 5,000, 5,000 shares of stock.
Yeah.
Right, you were right here. I showed an AMD once, boom, drop 5, boom, drop 4, boom, drop 5. Shorted about 500, boom, added to 501, added more below 502, a little bit more, right? I went boom, 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 doubled up. They say no, boom. I am up 11 points. I wanted to cover it down 6, and he said, no, I'll lower it. Boom. I made 12 points on AMD. It's 40, 50,000, you know what I'm saying? And you were there. Yeah. You saw it.
Yeah.
So my point is, there's the way to scale is going to help you. Okay, now, what's the worst case? You get stopped out. Okay, but now that was, in my point, that was a 5-minute reversing to sell and a sell disconnect. I was pretty confident, especially with the negative MACD on the 5. So, okay.
Part of the reason I want a little lighter too is,
well, at that point, when it hit 75, it was an 89.
Yeah.
Right? It was up there.
Yeah.
And I said I should have probably waited
right.
till the oscillator get. So I probably should have started like 60 up to even.
Yeah.
Where then you would have been 60 and 75, or where you would have missed 60, 75s then, for that matter. Missed a short at 55 though just now. Shoot. So, but anyway, it's a good job. Okay, but again, had you sold 75s, would have been better.
Yeah. Would
have raised your average price up, not by much. But I just think that if you can do 3 entries, I think, going 1, 2, 4. Again, the difference between 5 and 7 micros really is not not the end of the world. No. If I'm trading the big ones, 50 to 100 is a big difference because it's 5,000 a point on the S&P.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. All right, let's go. There you go. Get in there, Johnny Richardson. Come and visit me, Johnny Richardson. You'll see a real scalp. You'll see scalping machine. Damn, I missed that 50. that 55 short. Damn it. Thank you, Johnny Richardson. That means a lot to me. Thank you, Baba. Come on, everybody. There should be 500 to 5,000 people here every night. Are you crazy?
Are you crazy? Or just plain stupid?
Damn it, I missed this short on the 1 minute, right on this bear flag, the 55. Damn it. Damn it. Oh, they're going to get killed. Let's see here. Sir. Finish my. Hey, Mercier, I just texted you, Mercier. Mercy, how are you, Baba? And I asked you to call me. All right. Oh man, take your eyes off the screen and look at the beautiful short. Okay, so the S&Ps pushed up to 38. Okay, so if you look at the S&P futures, you can see the 5-minute time frame right here, reversing to sell right here. The negative MACD, this guy who 39s just dropped 8, correlated with the 60 on the indicator 4, correlated with the 30, negative, correlated with the 15. That's a Picasso right there, Mikey Jacques. Pac-Man. Christopher, get in there, right? Look at that. Pushed up into the negative MACD. I didn't even flinch on that, right? When you have negative MACDs like that, and then you have a sell disconnect on the NASDAQ futures, but a negative trend on the S&P, you fade the pop into the negative MACD, right? Picasso, fill the callers. That might have been the trade of the night, to be honest with you. We're going to break it, Christopher. Give it a chance. You know what, Johnny? Be great at 1. If you want to give me a call, just text me on WhatsApp, 914-500-7484. I'd love to help you and talk to you. Do you remember the time of your life? All right, right back up here. The memories you've left behind, remember. You remember the times of your life. Make years. How you doing, Jeff? Okay. Which one? The long or the short? Short, you should have killed it. 615, it dropped all the way down. The first trade was 615 to 45. I was 18. Where are you putting a stop? If that's not trading.
That's what you told me.
No, I did not tell you that. Here, look, turn around, please. And I'll go over this again. If the price was 615 to 45, you have to decide, okay, if you want to take the trade, how many contracts you want to do. Say you want to do 7, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. There's no way in hell you got stopped out. Trade at 615, the high is 618. It dropped all the way down. So even if you saw one contract, your stop here is 60. Right? Stop is 60. But again, shit. Hold on. Unless you're putting your own stop, if you're going to trade NASDAQ and stopped out for 5 points, you'll lose. Might as well just give the money to St. Jude's Medical.
Yeah.
Because you're going to get stopped out. I will bet you my life you'll get stopped out 100% of the time. 100%. So whatever you're going to buy a prop account, just go give the money to St. Jude's because a sick child can use it. But what I'm saying here, if you look and turn around, he can be a witness. 615 to 645, your stop is 60. Okay? I kept it tight. 30. I didn't go 40. I kept it 30 because that's how confident I was. So the high was 618.75. Okay? Okay? All right? And then it dropped. No way you could have stopped on that short. let's just stay with this trade. There's no way in hell you got stopped. Okay? You want to help him understand? Maybe. Okay? Now, you did it right. I just think you need to just bump it up a little bit.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah, I was doing it before that trade.
But even if you sold the 615s and you had sold one, you were in the game. Now, if you went to 620, you missed it. Okay? Here we go again, right back up. How much you down? How much are you down? Let me trade this thing. I'll get it back. But do you understand? There's no way in hell you lost. Now, okay, on the second trade, I said 525 to 565, right? Okay. Now, I said it was a scalp long. It traded down to 62. It pushed up to, I think, 78.80. I said out, out, out. I'd be flat. I don't like them. Out. Right? That means you just go click sell market. Out. Right?
Yeah.
Okay? Right. This gold's finished. Thank God. And so if you had bought 65s, you could easily sold 75s because they were trading 78.80, right? And you heard me say, I'm out, I don't like him, out, right? You heard it? Okay, that means out. Sell them. Flat. Close positions. Abandon ship. Whatever else you want me to say, right? Okay. When my guys are trading for me, I'm like, cover AMD. That's market. That's not bidding. When AMD dropped $12 and you saw it, I said, just cover it.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. You don't hear me say, let's go bid 89.60. Are you crazy? The thing's moving like the speed of light. Right? So when you have aberrations in the market, or if you hear me say, I'm out, get out, exit, boom, whatever, verb, noun, pronoun, adjective, you're out. That's it. You don't just sit there and like, oh, okay, what does that mean? Boom, and the game's over.
Yeah, game's over. So give me some numbers so I can.
How many do we
the
have?
game.
How many do we have?
We have 325.
Whoa, whoa, I love that. There you go. Get in there. All right. There goes the gold. If you're long the gold on that, I'd be out here above 97 because I called the range 92 to 98. All right. Let's see here. Let's go number 6. I like the low numbers.
Eli
Eli who? Just Eli?
Jaunik, that guy that's always there.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Let's go. 325 likes. Let's go. Look at the gold.
There you go. Next.
Okay. Let's go number 93. Number 93.
Cameron Fisher.
Oh, I think I saw him before. Cameron Fisher. Whoa, look at the gold. All right, if this NASDAQ gets up to this, what does this get?
All right,
No?
they're here.
Is he here? Okay.
Yeah. Next.
All right. Next. Let's go number 171.
171. All right.
If this NASDAQ gets up to the 580 to 620, I will look to scalp a short. Yes, 171.
Soul Trade.
Wow. Soul Trade. Soul Trades. Get on the bus. Soul Trades. Here?
That's him. Yep, there he is. Back to you.
Okay, thank you. Congratulations. All right. And who's the best prop firm out here? My Fund the Futures, right? See what these guys do for you? All right. Well, Bitcoin just anybody trading Bitcoin futures? You guys should be trading Bitcoin futures, man. Hey, Nick, how are you, Nick? You're holding your best. It is the best prop firm. 67 William. Hey, where you been? Bread, how are you? Come on, people now. Smile, brothers, everybody get together. I love one another right now. That was probably the most money I made in the last 6 months. AMD in the first 30 minutes of a day. Went in and out 5 times. Put up big numbers, right? You saw it, right?
Yeah.
Short them, boom, short them, boom, short them, boom, short them, kabooshed. Yeah, right. He did it.
He's good.
He's good.
He's doing
1,500. Look how he goes. He does 1,000 or 1,500 to start, then 3,000, and then right. And he's doing the stock, and then he's doing options, right? He's selling calls, was buying puts within a click. Boom, 100 lot, 50 lot, boom, like that, right?
What's he using to execute?
Interactive broker.
Okay.
You mean the platform?
Yeah.
Interactive broker.
Okay.
And he's got it right up. When we're focused on a stock, it's right there in front of him, right?
Yeah.
Click, click. I call him click, click. Okay. Get down here, Tom. Let's go. You're holding your gold short for weeks. Just trade. Can I tell you something, Frank? You'll make more money, in my opinion, trading in and out than holding the position and driving yourself crazy instead in front of a non-farm payroll. Come on, Baba. Let's go. There goes the gold off the 15-minute time frame. So gold made a new low, and the 30 and 15-minute time frames did not confirm. That's why I said look to buy in between 92 and 98. Okay? All right. Capiche? Capiche. And he got a pizza as well. That was today, not yesterday. The one thing about this game, Jeff, okay, it could drive you completely crazy. Okay? It could drive you crazy for many reasons. One, it's a very, very hard game, right? That's why I always tell people you have to have a mentor, you have to have a methodology, you have to know your stuff. So that's over here. But then part B, and I'm telling you right now, and I told you before, I'm a baboon. I'm a baboon when it comes to technology. I call my daughter, I call the general, I'm out. I'm done. I call Justin. You see, I'm a baboon. I got a problem, I call my daughter. I got a problem, I call the general. I have a problem, I call Justin. Right? That's it. I don't want to know. My brain can't handle it. Okay? Okay, I have an update with my phone. I call my daughter. I go, Allie, I don't want to deal with this. Here, yes, Daddy, whatever you want, I can help you with. Okay, so I am not in that camp. You have to, unfortunately, have to focus on trading, and then you have to focus on the technology, right? But once you get acclimated to the technology, right? I'm gonna look. I'm gonna tell you the truth. And here's a Bible I got when I was 10 years old. Hand the Bible. You think I'm going to read that? I can't even read 3 sentences without my brain exploding. So you think I'm going to understand all these rules and all this and everything like that? I've only traded live capital my whole life. So all these rules and everything, you have a son, he's very bright. Let him work with you. Let him help you. Let him learn the platform. Remember, you cannot trade without knowing your average price, and you cannot trade without what? Okay? You can't. It's like driving a car without a speedometer and a gas gauge. Okay? Do it. Period. It's over. Okay? Bada bing, bada boom, bada bop. Okay? There goes the gold, up 14. Okay? Can we get 300 likes here? And can we get this SK Trading YouTube and My Fund the Futures YouTube to over 100,000 by the end of the year? Come on, peoples. Let's go. Call your cousins. Your first, second, third, fourth. Somebody ring the bell. Where's Christopher, Pat? Christopher, can you send me the other ones like I asked you up here? If you can do it whenever you get a chance. Thank you. Come on, people now. Ah, brother, 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 brother. This gold gets up to the 04 again, 04 to 10, 11. I'd probably like to take a short. You got 2 likes for me. I loaded up on my phone as well. There you go, Kobop. Get in there. Get in there. Call all your country cousins. Tell them, get off that rocking chair. Let's go. Hit the like button. Let's go. There you go. Call your ex-wives, call your cousins, call your ex-girlfriends. Call somebody. Call the mailman. Call somebody. Get those likes up. Let's go. The general. I canceled that short of 80. Never got there. Oh, yes, sir. What's up, Luke? There you go. 27,000, 10 accounts. Oh, no. I'm sorry, Keith. Down 40 here. Wow. Guess we gotta wait for a push up here. All right, gold. Nasdaq just dropped 40. Knew it was a short up there on the 5 again. All right. I fully ported my eval on Nasdaq long at the lows. based mostly on the previous push up to. There you go, futures farmer. Good job. But also, I know who let the hyenas out. But you also got the non-confirmations on the 30 and 60-minute time frames on the push down to new lows. General Grievous. $50 now. See why you have to trade the Nasdaq versus the S&Ps. On the S&Ps dropped 2.5. The Nasdaq went from 82 down to 32. You see the difference during the Asia session? Okay, right?
Yep.
Okay. Now I think there's a chance they can break 500, but let's just see. Oh, 60 down. Damn it. No, it's a general. Click the general. General. I say it's general. Come on, can we get the 400 like 400 people? The general. I like it. DA general. Pac-Man, we have to have a picture of Aaron, right, dressed up in military gear, and on the back, the general. DA general. Right? The general. Come on, people now. Come on. What? Money back. There's really nothing to do now, Jeff. You know that? We just got to wait it. I'm 15 already. Jesus. EMA 50? Let's see. Double A? General double A? All right. I say it's the general. I mean, I don't know. Why would anybody not leave that? No, not Sergeant Mobley. Sergeant Kaboosh. 8 more likes. Let's go. Can we get the 400 viewers here? Text me already? There you go. Thank you. Yeah, they're going to break 500 now. There we go. We're going to break 500 now. Just dropped 80 handles. Come on, everybody. Let's go. Can we get to 500, 400 people? Indicator MACD, what? Indicator MACD and RSI? No. Indicator 1 is a MACD. I see the new software. If you short the gold at 04, look to cover the gold here between the 97 and 02 level. Here we go. Broke 500, Christopher. There you go. Here we go. Now you could probably take a scalp long here, 40 to 80 range. Scalp long only, 440 to 480. Hey, Steven. Steven, where have you been? You've been quiet this week. Unbelievable. 82. Just dropped 90. I had it dead to rights. You could probably go 45 to 85 here so you don't miss it. Let's just see. Again, you're pushing down here, and the 60-minute MACDs are not confirming right here, the lows. So $477 is the pivot, but that's only 12 away. Come on, let's get 350 likes. Can we get 14 more to 400? Let's go. There you go. Yeah, 85. Here we go. Let's just see. Christopher, great call if it took out the 501. Christopher, great job. Gold if you're short. Look to cover even to 05. Great job, Christopher. This gold just dropped here. Anybody short the gold? Even to 04, 05. Even to 04, I'd cover shorts. Short the gold? Long?
Yeah.
Gold's getting cabooshed here. S&Ps, we came in, they were 42, now they're 28.5. I do not look at RSI. NASDAQ got, here we go. Scale out any longs, 495 up to 505 if you get it. Got new technology coming out. Oh my God, look at the gold. There it is. Oh my God, gold just dropped 8. There it goes. Gold just dropped 8. Futures Farmer, get in there. You're very welcome, Baba. You want 29,000? I want 26,000. That's what I want. I want 26,000. We just got up to 480, 385. Come on. Buy. We're buying here, not selling. Buy. Hey, yeah, it's a great night. Let's see if we get a little bit of a push up here. Wow, look at this. Anybody short the gold? Oh my God, where's the bear? There it goes. There it goes. 95 to 05. I'd be scaling out of longs here. Nobody shorted the gold? There, 418. There we go. Aaron, here we go. Aaron, new highs here in the stream. 418. There we go. Thank you, Nathaniel. Thank you. For you, micros. For me, minis. No disrespect, but I don't want to see you guys blow up accounts. All right, we're gonna have some more giveaways here. The general. What was it? What was the verdict? The general or the sergeant? It's the general. He's a general. He's not a sergeant. He's a general. He's a general. Who won? The sergeant won? No. He's a general. Sergeant won? Rav boys? The general. Are you crazy?
Are you crazy? Or just plain stupid?
All right, just got to my 505 target. I would be oh my God, I'd be exiting longs here. Again, you see how they push down? You got the long, Jeff?
No.
Why? Why? Do you not want to bid it? Or you bid lower?
I bid.
Okay, where were you bidding? The low was 480? Yeah. All right, you missed the bite. Okay, so all right, not okay. It's okay. It happens. If you're gonna do that, then I would do. If you're gonna do that, I would go 85, then 70, like your son did every 15. See what I'm saying?
Yeah.
At least get into something. It just ran 40 points, right? But I said 95 to 05, I would exit longs, okay? It's all right. At least you were in there. So even if you bought and you made, just say you made 20 points, it's still like, $40, right? if he made $40 on one contract, it's like $40.
Yeah.
Right? And remember what I told you, right? During the Asia session, you should have 2 accounts, one for gold, one for index futures. So there were a lot of good trades on the short side, and one on long. You could have traded gold. And so, like, if the Nasdaq's not cooperating one night, then the gold may help you. See, Jeff?
Yeah.
Can you put 2 accounts when you're home, right? When you're home,
Yeah.
you want to have 2 things running.
Well,
Gold on one. What?
I can do that now.
Well, but gold just dropped like $7, so you
Yeah.
probably could have made back $120. Plus, if you would have bought it here, give me an example. You bought it down maybe 200.
My gold's a different account.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
I'm saying you should try to have one gold up, right, and one index future up if you can when you're home.
Asia session.
Okay, and you should have separate accounts, not the same account.
Right.
Yeah,
Right.
All right. Anybody get the long there? You trade 2 accounts at a time. There you go. See, there you go. See, AD is trading 2 accounts at a time. Wow. Oh my God almighty. Oh my God. 60 handles up. What? Your 800 guy back at 500 buying? See? Look, see what Brian wrote? 2 prop firms on 2 different DOMs at the same time. Okay? Okay? That
Where is he saying that?
Brian that he has 2 DOMs up at the same time. For Asia session, what window time is best volume wise? 8 to 10. I don't know. I mean, 8 to 10. What stop loss and take profit? In what? Gold or NASDAQ? You should be focusing on trading, not chatting. Sebastian, MFTV. What do you mean? Get in there. Let's go. Chop City. I don't think it's Chop City. I think these are good divergences. I don't think they're Chop City. How do you win giveaway? You have to put your name in when Aaron posts the link. Look at this. 65 handles up. Oh my God. Oh my God. 75 up. See? I have S&P and gold up on each DOM. Okay? See? Right here? It's got two of them up. The link to win in the SK.
The guy who posted that, right?
He's in the SK trading
Oh, I
Discord.
was
See if you've completely changed my trading results unless we're becoming a member of your community as the best investment I've ever made. Thank you. Thank you, Rick Plant. God bless you, brother. Thank you so much. Thank you, Rick. Oh my God, 85 points. I didn't say short. I was called a long down there. Now you could probably take a short here scalp it 580 to 620. 580 to 620. If they get up there. I don't know if they will. We won the war. If you want, maybe you can go 75 up to 15. Or you can go here 80 up to here 80 up to 20. Just hit the 80 mark. So now if you sold at 80, right? It just dropped 15, right? Jeff?
Yes.
You're short, trade it. Right? 65, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes?
I'm not sure.
You're not short.
I was trying to find again.
I already read you what he. I read you what he
But I
wrote.
was trying to get.
It's right there. If you're short here, lower your stops. Look to cover below 65.
His upper body followed the forward. Then
Look at him drop.
midsection had to crank
You
back
short?
towards the direction he was traveling. To follow the
I can't believe what I'm watching. I watched this video now. I am complete. I can't even talk, really. All right. NASDAQ just got kabooshed. 75.80. I hope somebody got the short.
now locked in a single
Wow, what a drop. Yes, I trade Friday live. Of course. What a short. What a short. Christopher Helton, there you go, brother. We top ticked it 75.80. Okay? Mikey Jacques, tell me you got that short. Brian, Oh my God. Look at this. 60 handles. Look at this. But there should be 10,000 people watching here tonight for my funded futures. Right? I mean, you got to close out the position. Christopher Pac-Man, get in there. S&P's Diego, 30, I don't even 38 down to 32. Oh my God, 70 handles. What a drop. What do you mean? You should have, there's no way you would have lost on this. What are you talking about, Captain Price? Oh my God, 80 handles. Good Lord. S&P's down 8. Okay, so you tell me you didn't get the short? Luke, what a short. 90 handles. In the future, just try to should try to lower your stop sometimes, right? You never know, right? I'm just saying,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah.
Okay, but if it dropped,
Right.
just you could just
Yeah.
lower your stop to 65, right?
Yeah.
What a short. Good job. Very good job. What are you up? About 280? 140? Okay. Really though, it wasn't like yesterday though, but still up is good.
Yeah.
Not bad. Just your average should be between 1 to 300 starting out. That's a big accomplishment, right?
Yeah.
That's good though. You know, during the day, like I said to you, if you could try to make, 200, 200, 200, not, like I said, you make 60 here, you go to a different account, go 70 here, boom, you lose 40 here, you go to the next one, you make 80 here, boom, you rotate back. And then your goal should be whatever it is, 200, 250 on each account. Then you have 3 options, like I told you. You stop, watch, learn, and listen. Then you, right? Or you sim, or you buy more accounts. You're always moving towards the end zone.
Yeah.
Right? Okay, good job. Good job. All right. I'd short some gold here. 08.5 up to the 16.5 range if it gets up there. What a short. Right there goes the gold shooting up for some stupid reason. Brave Day up 1,800. God bless, brother. $17,000. Wow. Aaron, we doing any more raffles, Aaron? Oh, Aaron.
Yep. I'm here. Hold on a second. I'll pull up. All right, give me 4 numbers.
What's the number? You said 345, was it? You said how many?
325.
Number 300.
300. Wisek. WYSEK. Okay, here next.
Oh boy. Let's go number 265. 265.
265. Ooh, I don't like this name. Lucifer 2912.
You got to be kidding me, really?
Yes, you
Okay,
chose it.
hold on. We're going to give him the account on the one condition he changes his name.
Yeah, if he changes his name, we'll give him the account.
Yeah, exactly.
Or if he is not here, then next.
Then next.
Come on. Oh, he's here. You got to change your name, Lucifer. Sorry.
Come on.
All right, next.
Number 112.
112. Cole Stall 5856.
Day
You say
trader,
that's
get
me?
in there. Huh? Cover this
Somebody say
gold
that's
anywhere
me
between
behind
the
you?
06 and 12. Was it? He won it?
Yeah.
You won it?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Wow.
Gold.
Whole seal.
He won in your
Oh,
office.
you won. Congratulations. All right, Jesus. All right.
Wow. All right, next.
Number 88.
88.
Wow, good in there. Wow, that's like that happened to me like 4 times so far, people.
Christopher Helton.
Hey, Christopher. Get in there.
Thank you, General.
Oh,
Don't
see?
you dare call me General. It's Sergeant.
It's Sergeant.
You know what? I actually have a recon Marine sitting right next to me.
Who's
Okay.
that?
He's hanging out with me right now. Don't
But
make
wait a
me
minute.
have
I
him go
thought you
over
liked
there.
the general, though.
I don't like the general. I was a fucking sergeant. Get out of
Oh, my
here.
God. All right. But isn't the general higher than a sergeant?
Yes, a general is higher than a sergeant.
So we're
Where's
paying you a
Helton at?
compliment.
Where's Christopher Helton?
Chris, he's here. He's here.
I don't see him. Where
He's
you at?
he's in our chat.
Okay, fine.
Christopher, congratulations.
All right, is that it?
How many more?
That's it.
3 more?
No, 2. Just give me them right now.
All right. We're going to go number 55.
55. G Flint 47.
G Flint 47. G Flint. He's here. G Flint. And we're going to go number 21 after that. G Flint.
Sia Trades.
Oh, Sia Trades. He's always
Right there. They're
He's
right
here.
there. They just said it. They just said congratulations. All right, that's it. Back to you.
All right. Well, I want to. If anybody would like a 5-day free trial to my live stream, please text me your full name and email to my cell phone number 914-500-7484. All right. Also, please watch my podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly. Tonight we had over 418. We should have over 4,000 people watching. My Friend the Futures is the best. The best. Okay? The best prop firm. Okay? Hands down, the greatest. Okay? All right. Let's see what we're going to do here. Come on, people now. Mikey Jacques. Mikey Jacques, you won? Michael Jacques, you won tonight? Take care, Jeffrey. Have a great night, Baba. Mikey Jacques, you won? Brian, great job tonight, Brian. Great job. Christopher Pac-Man, thank you. You know, love you, brother. Good night, Jeff. Mikey Jacques, get in there, Baba. Okay. You got remember, play the Powerball. When's the next drawing?
Saturday.
Saturday.
Yeah.
Okay. What's your name? Coaster guy? All right. Got 9 minutes to go here. And again, please, if anybody again would like a 5-day free trial, just text me your full name and email. Love to be here. Have you guys here join, and it starts every Monday, 8:30 to 4. Remember, you have the non-farm payroll number tomorrow, everybody. Okay. Where'd you end up down? 400, Jeff? Completely, everything just came to a stop here. You use of course you use fixed stop losses. No, take profits. Nah, I mean, you're short at 80, just keep lowering your stops. You know, some are 60, some are 50, depending on how many you shorted. Okay. All right, everybody. You got 6 minutes to go here. Good night, Miss K. Rod Trades, thank you for being here. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys did very, very well. And again, I'm very happy to be here. I want to thank my fund the futures. Very, very much great firm, and just want to Steph's Trade. Thank you. God bless you, brother. Egan Murphy, Side Trades, congratulations. Rod Trades, Learn Trading. Dave Robles on Corp Trades. Ryan, thank you so much. Oh, Ray McGee. And again, anybody live in the state of Florida or anybody want to give me a call, pay a visit, come on down. Give me a holler. Okay? Again, it's my pleasure to be here. Love it. I've been here since I've been in my office since 5:15 this 5:15 this morning. Left at 7. I'm in Jupiter, Florida. I'm in Jupiter, and if, I love the game so much, man. I just want to see people do great. I want to see people succeed. I'm telling you, I'm on my 45th year. You're in Siempre, Florida. And I think, one of the things that's great is to have a great firm behind you, learn a methodology. And, it's really about being able to succeed, having multiple accounts, rotating them, not fixated on one account and getting all wigged out and everything. I think you really need to just stay calm and be focused, and and that to me is the essence of being a great trader in my book. Being able to really just be in a position where you're where you're really just you're knocking the ball out of the park. And I think that's what's really important. All right. All right, we got 2 minutes to go here. And again, I want to just I want to really thank all of you for being here. Okay, I really want to thank all of you for being here. All right. All right, everybody. All right, so have a great weekend, everybody. Remember, 8:30 non-farm payroll. Remember, I'll be back Monday through Thursday next week, 8 to 10. Also, next Thursday from 10:30 to 11:30 on the My Friend the Futures TV. I want to wish all of you have a great night. Remember, God bless all of you. God bless our troops. And most of all, God bless this great country. God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody. Be well.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wit got a twist.